Hello everyone, welcome to the animation wizard. In this video we'll see how to create material instance in Unreal Engine. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we'll jump to the our Unreal Engine editor, and here we'll create our master material, and with the help of master material we will create them our material instancing. So what I will do, I will take a basic shape like a sphere and just click this sphere. Okay, so here you can see we have a sphere. Okay, so I will create a material for this, and a very simple material. So to create the material, what I will do, I will right click and create a material. So here I will write my master material and okay, material. Okay, so I will double click on this material. So you can see here we have my master material, and for this what I will do, I will create a color and some metallic value, some specular or roughness value for this. So what I will do, I will create a constant. Okay, that means constant vector 3. So what I will do, press 3 and click, so you will get constant vector 3 option, and here I can select the color. So what I will do, I will took any color like blue. Okay, and I will connect this with my base color. So my surface color is the blue. Okay, now again what I will do, I will change in some metallic option and will in some roughness. So to change the constant value, for what I will do, I will click one and click, so I will get the constant value. So click and this node and connect to the metallic. Okay, so you can see here the metallic value is 0. There is no metallic property. So for now what I will do, I will keep it 1, and you can see there is some metal value on my surface. Same, I can duplicate this, or I can create a new one. Just press 1 and click, so you will get another one, and I will connect this to the roughness. Okay, so there is no roughness, so you can see there is a roughness property on the surface. So I can keep it 1, or we can keep it 0. So for now what I will do, I will keep it 0.5, something like this, or just the better 2, I will keep it 0. So I have, there is some property, there is some value. So okay, this is my master material. Okay, so I will save this. Okay, so it's done. Now I will apply this material to my surface. Okay, so you can see here my surface look like some blue and some reflective. Okay, so what I will do, I will create another surface. I will create another shape like any cylinder, any other sphere. So here. Okay, and I want to create the same property. Okay, same property, that means I want the same reflective surface and same metallic surface, but I want to change the color. Okay, so for that I don't need to create entire material. Okay, what I will do, I will select my master material and I will right click on here, and we have option create material instance. Okay, so for the material instance what I will do, I will write mi material instance. Okay, like this. Okay, and write any name like red. Okay, so material instance red. I will double click on this, and you will get here, you can see my preview, and here there's some property, but there is no property for to change the color or metallic or any reflective any roughness here. But you can see here the parent material. So this is my master material, material. So you can see this is the connected link with my master material. So how can I will get the option to change the color and the some material or any property? So for that I will jump to my master material, and if I want to change the color in my metal instance. So for that I need to change this color to the parameters. Okay, so what I will do, I will just right click on this, and here we have a convert to the parameters. I will click here, and you can see there's a name, so I will write a name color. This is the color parameter. Okay, so here the color, and I can write it from metal, so right click, convert to the parameter, and okay, so here I can write the metallic or some metal value. Okay, like this, and here I can change this, convert to parameter, and here it's a rough. Okay, so this is the parameter. Now it's changed to the parameter. So what I will do, I will just save this in my master material and just check your instance material. Okay, so here you will get, there's a global scalar parameter value. Okay, so here the metal, rough and color option. Okay, so I will click, click and click. So you can see if the activate 1, that means it's a metallic value there. There's a roughness 0, so that's why it's a reflective. So what I will do, I will keep it 1, so you can see there's no reflective surface, and I can change the color also like this. Okay, and I will keep the value 0, so it's like that. Okay, and I will apply this to my another surface. Yeah. Okay, so again I want to change I want to create some red. No, oh, so sorry, I want to change this to red, so I will keep it red because the name is the red, like this. Okay, you can see this. Again I will uh, take a duplicate or copy of this surface, and I will create another instance. Okay, so I will right click here and create metal instance from there, and mi the score and green. So I don't need to change the entire value. I will just select the color and I will change to the green. Okay, so that's very simple, and I will apply this to here. So you can see this is the metal instance. Okay, again in my master material, if I will take any texture sampler, okay, suppose press tab and we need a texture sample. Okay, I will connect this to the base color, and here I will call any textures here. Okay, so for the texture, what I will do, I have this texture, these two textures, checkers and flow. So yes, I will select here. So this is my checkers. Okay, in my master material. Okay, and here the roughness, I will keep this 1. So you can see this is my texture sample. Okay, and my surface texture is the checkers. Okay, I will save this. Okay, so you can see the texture is applied on the all my surface. Okay, so it's updated on the everywhere, because there is a no in my instancing, there is a no option for the textures. Okay, so if I want to change the textures for the instance, what I will do, again in my master material, what I will do, I will right click on here and convert to the parameter. Okay, and just write. So you can see I convert this to the texture parameter. Okay, now I will update this. I will save this. Okay, now check here. So here in global texture parameter value, click here, and here we have an option texture. So in the metal instance, you can change the texture. So here, click here and you can change any texture. So what I will do, I will drag this floor on here, okay, and save, and you can see the texture is a difference. Okay, so here I will roughness, I will keep it to 1. Now you can see this, you can keep all the property the same, but in texture you can change the texture of the instance material. Okay, so here we have a material instancing. Okay, with the help of this you can apply the same material property to different object. Okay, and if you want to change a particular uh, property, so you can change, but you don't need to change the entire material. Okay. Okay. Okay, so thanks.